I imagined myself walking down a road or something with no internal dialogue, and then once with internal dialogue, and I would see two different people basically. Like in the no internal dialogue, there's like just a base creature there, and the character, it doesn't. There's as if no character there, or it isn't apparent what the character is, and the internal dialogue brings that out. As soon as I say something, it doesn't matter what, like I am there, the social me, kind of the way I am in social relations.
Good insight. Yeah. So we can see that this business of internal dialogue is always relating to other, that existentially, always relating to others, whether we get that or not. Sometimes you can get that because you're actually talking to another. You have somebody in mind. You say, I'm speaking to that person. So you go, oh yeah, at least I know I'm relating to another who's not here, except in my mind. But I'm saying existentially, always relating to other, even if you think you're talking to yourself and you have no other in mind. In any case, given that's the case, we could see that whenever we speak to others in real life, right, there's a social entity occurring. The person that we are, the character that we are, how we hold ourselves in the social domain, is going to show up in the speaking. Where else is it going to show up, right? Gesture and stuff like that. See, but basically in the speaking. And so how we think of ourselves is going to show up, as you say, in our speaking and also our internal dialogue. If you hold yourself as a mean person, say, socially, or a good guy socially, or shy socially, or overpowering socially, or whatever, some sign. So then when you speak, that's going to be there, isn't it? Understand? See, if you're shy, when you speak, I'm not saying you're going to say necessarily shy things. I don't know what shy things would sound like, but when you're speaking to others, you already are shy, and so you're speaking with the shyness in mind. Or if you're mean, you'll say things, and the meanness is just there, even if you're not saying a mean thing, because you're a fucking mean guy. See what I'm saying? You hold yourself as mean. I'm trying to be nice. God damn it. But you're, so you see, like as if I'm thinking here, like, right, as if the sound, and the word and representation, no matter what it's representing, it's not going to be representing necessarily this particular character in the word, but infused in it is the character that's saying it, and so the character that's saying is infused in it is the character. Is the meanness, is the shyness, is the whatever, self-doubt, whatever. You're following what we're thinking here. Interesting observation. I like it. So then without the internal dialogue, you might experience without, and you're not thinking, then you're as he said, like walking down the street, and you're not a mean guy. You're not a shy guy. You're just a guy. You're just walking down the street. You know what I'm saying? Something else has to happen before that is active, and given that's all in the social domain, internal dialogue, hello. It's all social domain.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.